Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another from basic to chic styling video, this time in an autumn edition where I'll be sharing 5 different looks with you. I find these videos are so fun for me to make because they allow me to really experiment with what I have in my wardrobe, and often I come up with new outfit combos that I haven't really thought about before without shopping, and I of course hope they can inspire you to try out the same thing. Autumn is my favorite season, not only when it comes to style, because you can really add some interesting layers, and I get to wear all of my favorite classics like blazers, boots and wool coats. But it's also just such a magical time of year where I tend to practice all things hygge even more than usually, and I love watching the leaves turn from green to brown. There are just so many reasons why I love this time of year. So I've already done my wardrobe switchover from summer to autumn, so in case you missed that video, I'll link it right here on the screen for you so you can go watch that after this one. Basically, I've built a rather small and realistic kind of autumn capsule this year because I'm expecting a baby girl with due in mid-October. So I'll be spending lots of time at home, and also with the virus still being a thing, we won't get to go to many places anyway. So I feel like I've built a functional, comfortable and practical autumn capsule this year, but still stylish and chic. So the first outfit is something that I've worn quite a lot recently, again because my baby bump is getting quite big and heavy now. I've been trying to build some outfits that were comfy above all, but still kind of put together. So this outfit is a great example of mixing more comfy kinds of leisure wear with everyday elements like a handful of jewelry, a cool denim jacket and a great bag. I borrowed the tee from my husband because I quite like the detail of it peeking through at the neckline and the hemline of the sweatshirt. I think that adds a really cool and effortless touch to this look. Outfit number 2 is very much a classic autumn look for me, so a soft wool jumper, a pair of basic jeans and then a lovely wool coat, which is always a great base this time of year, I think. I wanted to give the outfit something else, so I went for a pair of metallic boots from my occasion wear capsule. You know, sometimes you just need a little sparkle like that on a grey Wednesday, and I love the more fancy vibe they bring to this otherwise rather dark and classic autumn look. For the third look, I went for an all black base. I feel like that's always a great base to start with if you don't know what else to wear. The jeans are my homemade maternity jeans, and they're still my best maternity jeans. So I've mentioned this before, but I can really highly recommend you guys to try out making your own like these as well. It's super easy and affordable. Then I wanted to throw in a handful of beige items for this look just to break up the black base of the outfit. And I love this combo. I love wearing beige all through the year, but specifically through the autumn season. There's just something about that color that just screams autumn. This entire look is actually secondhand except for the bag, which is a newer purchase. With the fourth look, I decided to stick with the all black base, but really go all in on contrasts. So we have something classic in the form of my vintage Chanel bag and the wool coat, and then we have something more sporty like the sneakers and the beanie. Everything I'm wearing here is either older items like up to 6 years or more, or bought secondhand. So again, as always, just want to underline that there's many things that makes up a sustainable wardrobe. For me, it's often a mix of newer items bought with intention, older favorites and secondhand purchases. For the last look, I went for a simple white tee and jeans combination. This is what I wear mostly through the week, especially if I'm working from home. It's again such an easy base to spice up and make more chic. So for this look, I wanted to let this thrifted leopard jacket do all the talking, so that's also why I went for a more simple base. I also quickly wanted to mention that all the jewelry shown in this video are my own brand new designs, which are launching on my shop today. So in case you're interested, I'm of course going to link them all down below for you. So there you have it guys, 5 basic looks that you can lounge around in comfortably at home and then turn them into something more chic and stylish for the autumn season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I will see you very soon for another one. Bye guys!